Hey everyone, today is 38 because everybody can go every night. And okay, pick an egg. Now let's try the red egg. Look, all these candy. Okay. Crayons. What are the drawing? There's no right or wrong with the drawing. The drawing special. Look at the vehicle to the right there. You can sweat and watch it. I think it's super heavy. The egg. Okay. Pick the egg again. Whoa. It's a carrot. 3 carrots. 1, 2, 3 carrots. So, but you throw something through the bag. Sure, we celebrate. Look at the egg. Stickers. It's a wow, spinning around, spinning around, spinning around, spinning around. You always spin. What the hell? Oh, those are candy. 3 candies. Look at all these stuff again. 3 carrots, spinning, crayons, control suckers, should we celebrate? Stickers, candies, and a bunch of candy, alright? Okay, pick the egg. A yo-yo. A yo-yo. Look at all these stuff in again. Rudolph, Goofy, Mickey, Peter, and Goofy, Rudolph, his wares, and Buster. Yeah. Just my sides. A 2 pencil. There's the candy, 3 candy. White. Look at all these white. Sure, it's white and blue. It's a yo-yo. It's a bouncy. Sure is this bouncy. I see a stem. It's bubbling. It's a lemon. Another sticker. tattoos. It's a cookie, yellow. It's a fruitcake. Stickers. We're always having. Oh, God. This horse. Green light. It's just like the green light. It sure is green, and it's look at all these longer that. Look at all these look at that again. Free candies, tattoos, sticker, bouncy ball, green, a blue, white, a yellow, crayon, bouncy ball, a bouquet, lots of candies, and a bunch of candies and okay, picking up an egg. Okay, it's again. Credit penny, SpongeBob SquarePants, credit penny, watermelon. The chocolate coin, a gold coin. I wonder that's treasure buried here. Let's count them. 1, 2. Warhead, extremely sour lemon. Ugh, really, really, really sour. There's more coins. Let's count it again. 1, 2 coins. The chocolate cold gold. Treasure again. Victory again. There's a ring pop again. Big enough for egg. Another lawn snake. It's a chicken costume. Hold the phone. How the chicken costume have a extremely. Look at all these stuff again. We carrot, tattoos, stickers, Patty Patty watermelon, gold coins, 4 and 2, and stamps, real cake, extremely sour, and a bunch of candy, crayons, and 2, and stamps. Okay, take another egg. I'm liking that. Whoa, fruit of the candy. Oh boy, amazing. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. Really? That's baby Redbird. Oh, Mama! Orange one, watermelon. Smarties, That's a lot of them. That's a lot of them. And oh dear, still might be good boy. Look at all these stuff in there.
There you go, assistant.
3 carrots. 3 carrots. 3 carrots. 3 carrots. 7 berries. Green ball. Tattoos. Yo-yo. Stickers. 4 coins. Krabby Patty. Stamps. Crayon. Finger. Grandpa. 4 coins. Green lemons. Orange lemons. Fruit cake. And punch the troll suckers. Oh, every no one punches and everyone. There's the blue again. It's Warhead, Streamy Sour, Watermelon. And Crackle Candy Bar. Smarties again. Stamps. The 2 stamps. Whoa, a spinning tube. Which way to go? Look at all these spinning tubes. I see this thing. There's tattoos. Tattoos of and old a Swinky. Oh, ooh. Now we all have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I wanna 3 Smarties again. 3 stamps. Look all these stuff in the made. 3 carrots, 4 berries, stamps, 3 stamps, 2 stamps, cherry celebrate, and streamy sour watermelon, and streamy sour warheads, lemon, crayons, green and blue white, 3 Smarties, Sunky, tattoos, and stickers. Krabby Patty, watermelon, a yo-yo. That's kind of stuffy you make. There's a bunch of candy. Orange watermelon, and green watermelon, and fruity good cakes. It's a 6 gold coins. Let's count it again. 1, 2, 6 coins. Look at all these necklaces. No way, not on them. We only have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We only have Smarties, 4 Smarties. Look all the stuff I needed to get it. 3 carrots, red berries, and sweet sour, watermelon, melon, Krabby Patty, watermelon, yellow, yo-yo, 4 Smarties, stickers, tattoos, crayons, sour patches, green watermelon, orange watermelon, fruity cake, 2, gum, necklace, Florida, slinky. I think it's a 2. All these red rides. There's a red am I? More going. Santa coins. 1 coin. Sour patches. Sour patches. 1, 2, 8. Look at it, green. Look at that, the green. You did a great job of them. It's that white too. Oh, I think that kind of look like me. Look at the eggs. What? We don't have any more eggs. No, look at it. That's a lot of stuff in it. Green, red, white, and I think I like the 2. Watermelon, Krabby Patty, watermelon, stamps, 4 Smarties, orange watermelon, green watermelon, sour patches, necklace, crayons, 3 carrots, red berries, tattoos, stickers, yo-yo, 3 stamps, and a lot of candies, Santa coins, slinky, and tire, and the slime, a bouncy ball, and bunches, a lot of stuff in them. Okay. Do you like the Easter eggs? Okay. Ooh. Wow. Wow, eggs. You like the Easter eggs? No. Bye.
Hey there, everyone! Thanks for watching our video. Now make sure that you subscribe to the Engineer Family since that's a cool video. In fact, there's another cool video right there. You can select and watch it. I think you're really gonna like it. Is it Team Umizoomi, Paw Patrol, Surprise Eggs, Frozen, Blade, Mash There are so many videos to watch. Bye!